Hi, this is Joe from Cloud Design Box. Do you use Read in Progress with your students in class teams? If you do, were you aware that you are now able to add comprehension questions to those assignments? So you can not only test for reading accuracy and fluency, but you can also test for comprehension as well. If you haven't used Read in Progress, this might be a nice way to get into using it because it really opens it up for lots of subjects if we're going to be testing reading comprehension. Let's take a look. If you find this video useful, you can click the like button below and you can also subscribe to see more content like this. So here we are in our class team. I'm just going to navigate to assignments on the left hand side. And for this I have drafted an assignment ready, so I'm going to go to my drafts tab across the top of the screen. And here we have an assignment that I've set up earlier. I'm just going to jump in. And when we created this assignment, we used Read in Progress, which has now moved to the new Learning Accelerators button at the bottom. So if we click here, you can see Read in Progress is here, Search Progress is here in preview, and there will be more Learning Accelerators coming soon. So I've attached a piece of reading for the students using the Read in Progress tool, and that's attached here. So let's just jump in and take a look. If we just bring the pane for all the assignment options up by using the button down here in the bottom right, you'll see the option for comprehension. So you see I've got that toggled on at the moment. So I'm just going to hide this pane. When you switch it on, it allows you to create some questions, and this uses Microsoft Forms. So I've just put some comprehension questions in here based on the topic that we're reading. So the students will get to see these questions before they read, and then they can fill out the answers afterwards so they can really reflect. So you're really testing to see not just if the student can read clearly and pronounce some of these difficult words, but we can also test the comprehension on the piece of work too. So we really love where this is going. Giving teachers the option to add these comprehension questions in really adds another level to reading progress. So will you be experimenting with this? Let us know in the comments below. It's in its early days and we imagine there will be a few more improvements coming through with this feature.